Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. If your PC is slow and bloated with Windows, today I'm showing you the dead simple way to replace it with the latest Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS. Completely free, super fast, and perfect for beginners. We'll download Ubuntu, make a bootable USB with Etcher, and install it step by step. Ready to ditch Windows for good? Let's jump in. First, the serious warning you can't skip. This process will completely erase Windows and everything on your main drive. Family photos, documents, games. Back them up right now to an external drive or the cloud. I'll remind you again, but do it while the files download. You've been warned. We need two things: the official Ubuntu ISO and a blank USB stick that's at least 8 gigabytes. Open your favorite web browser and let's go straight to the official site. Type ubuntu.com and press enter. On the home page, look at the top menu and click the button that says Download Ubuntu. Now click the big green button that says Download Ubuntu Desktop. The page will refresh and show Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS. That's the newest long-term support version as of today. Click the final green Download button. The file is about 5.8 gigabytes, so let it run. I'll also drop the direct link in the description so you can click it instead of searching. Grab a drink while it downloads. While that's happening, let's get Etcher, the beautiful, foolproof tool that writes the ISO to your USB. Open a new tab and type etcher.balena.io and hit enter. Click the giant green Download for Windows button, or Mac or Linux if you're on those. It's only about 100 megabytes, so it finishes in seconds. Save it to your Downloads folder too. When both files are ready, plug your empty USB stick into the computer. Again, everything on that USB will be erased, so double-check there's nothing important on it. Open your Downloads folder, double-click the Etcher installer you just downloaded, and follow the quick setup. Etcher is gorgeous and has only 3 steps. First, click Flash from File. Navigate to your Downloads folder, select the huge Ubuntu ISO, and click Open. Second, click Select Target. Your USB drive should appear. Make sure it's the right one, then tick the box and click Select. Third, click the big purple Flash button. It'll ask for admin permission. Click Yes. Now watch the beautiful ring fill up. This takes 4 to 10 minutes depending on your USB speed. When the ring turns green and says Flash Complete, you're done. Click Close and safely eject the USB. Your perfect Ubuntu installer is ready. Time for the fun part. Take your freshly made USB and plug it into the computer you want to liberate from Windows. Shut that computer down completely, then power it back on. Start tapping the boot menu key like crazy right after you press the power button. The key is different for every brand. For example, most Dell computers use F12. HP usually uses F9 or Escape. Lenovo is often F12 or F2. Asus is commonly Escape or F8. Not sure? Just Google your exact laptop or motherboard model plus boot menu key. It tells you instantly. Keep tapping until you see a menu listing all boot devices. Use the arrow keys to highlight your USB. It'll say the brand name, USB, or sometimes Etcher, then press Enter. Use the arrow keys to select Try or Install Ubuntu and press Enter. The process begins with a Preparing Ubuntu screen. First page, Language. Choose English or whatever you prefer, then click Continue. Next, the Accessibility in Ubuntu page appears. You can review the settings, seeing, hearing, typing, etc., then click Next. The keyboard layout page follows. Select your preferred layout. It usually auto-detects well. Type a few letters in the box to test it, then click Next. You will then reach the Internet connection page, where I recommend choosing Do Not Connect to the Internet for now, then click Next. If an update is available for the installer, you'll see the Update Available screen. Click Skip. For the next step, Try or Install Ubuntu, ensure Install Ubuntu is selected and click Next. The application screen asks what apps you want to start with. Choose Default Selection for a lean system or Extended Selection for office tools, then click Next. On the Optimize Your Computer page, tick both options. Install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, and download and install support for additional media formats. Click Next. For disk setup, choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Yes, this wipes Windows and every file on the drive. Exactly what we want for a clean, lightning-fast system. Click Next, then Confirm on the pop-up. Finally, on Create Your Account, enter your name, username, and password, and click Next. Click your city on the map or type it in, then Continue. Finally, click on Install. That's it. Sit back and watch the slideshow while Ubuntu copies files. 6 to 18 minutes depending on your drive. I usually go make tea at this point. When it says Installation Complete, click Restart Now. When the screen goes black and says, Please remove the installation medium and press Enter, pull out the USB and hit Enter. Your PC will now boot into fresh Ubuntu for the first time ever. First boot takes a minute while it sets everything up. When the desktop appears, congratulations, you just ditched Windows forever like a legend. The next page is Ubuntu Pro. This is an optional feature. For now, select Skip for Now and click Next. After that is the Help Improve Ubuntu page. You can choose to share your system data with the Ubuntu team. Yes, share system data. Or keep it private. No, don't share system data. Make your selection and click Next. Finally, you will land on the Ready to Go screen, which highlights the Ubuntu App Center and a range of popular applications you can get started with. Connect to Wi-Fi in the top right corner if needed. You can immediately explore the apps shown on the final screen by clicking the Open App Center button, or the shopping bag icon on the dock. Use the App Center to quickly install certain applications offered by Ubuntu, like Discord, Spotify, or Steam, to customize your experience. Congratulations! You just ditched Windows forever like a legend. Let any automatic updates finish. Open Terminal with Ctrl+Alt+T and type lsb_release-a. You'll see Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS running perfectly. That's literally everything. You now have a faster, safer, 100% free operating system that's supported until 2029. No antivirus, no forced reboots, no ads, just pure speed and freedom. If this guide just resurrected your old machine, please smash subscribe and the bell. It's free and keeps these life-changing tutorials coming. Drop a comment and tell me what PC you just saved and how fast it feels now. Old Windows 7 laptop? Crappy Windows 11 machine? I read every single one. Thanks for watching the entire guide. Stay passionate about tech, go explore your new desktop, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!